So we're going to talk about the next step of your essay. Just to review quickly so far, we have talked about what an exploratory essay is. We've talked about the 5-paragraph format. We've talked about what an outline looks like and what each part of the outline does. We then talked about the body paragraphs and the topic sentences. And then we talked about the thesis statement for the entire paper, which is part of your introduction. And then yesterday we talked about adding evidence. So you were going back to your slides and writing one sentence that added detail, supporting your topic sentences, each place on your outline where it says supporting evidence. So today we're going to talk about your introduction, finishing your introduction. So the very first part of the introduction is called the hook, which the hook is the thing that we catch fish with. Right? So the hook is a metaphor that we use to say you need to grab your reader's attention and make them want to read what you're going to write. For this, we often use a quote or a vivid description or an anecdote. An anecdote is a really, really short story that is told to make a point. And then sometimes we pose a question to the reader, something like, have you ever had a hero? That doesn't really relate to one that we're going to do this time. So what we're going to do is a quote, okay? So I myself chose a song lyric, and there's a separate lesson that I am posting in the same box about how to search for and cite the quote. If you already know how to do it, you can skip it. So the quote I chose, I'll spread my wings and I'll learn how to fly, though it's not easy to tell you goodbye. AZ Lyrics, which I just realized I forgot the quotation marks around because it's the title, is the website where I got it. Okay, so I'm just copying the lyrics, telling you the website directly after where I found it. Okay, then, you can't just put the quote though and then start the rest of your essay. You have to write at least one sentence that says why, first of all, who said the quote, and second of all, how it's relevant to this paper. So you're not just throwing in any random quote up there. It has to have something to do with your topic. So what I said is these lines are from Breakaway by Kelly Clarkson. These lines from Breakaway by Kelly Clarkson relate to my life because I was very excited to move away from my small town, but I really loved growing up there. Okay, and then after, and this is actually how it looks in your paper, okay, in your outline, I should say. And then the very last thing you need to do to have a completed introduction is you're just going to write a summary of the topic, which in this case is you. So you just write a couple sentences about the most important information about you. What I wrote is, my name is Sarah Jennifer Grant, and I now live in Coon Rapids, Minnesota with my husband, CJ, my daughters, who's right there, Abby and Lily, and my dogs, Luke and Leah. I teach at Spring Lake Park High School. So just and also all this information comes up in my essay, so it's pretty important to explain that in my summary. So again, when you are finished with your introduction, in your outline, it looks like this. So the hook is in green, and I'll change that here. And then the summary is in purple, and then you should already have the thesis statement, which is in blue. And if you finish that, you've done your work for the day. Good luck.